Hello and welcome. Today we have some pretty exciting announcements to tell you about Neon TV and Neon Dream. Let's get started with Neon TV. Neon TV is obviously a streaming player, and today we're announcing two new models. First is a new smaller model of Neon TV, and we call it Neon TV Mini, and here it is. Neon TV Mini features a new design which is much more compact. It has a built-in HDMI cable. It's made of 100% recycled plastic. On the bottom, it has a USB-C port for power, and HDMI 2.0 obviously to connect to your TV. And it supports 4K at 60 Hz. And for power, this thing is powered by a Neon D43M chip, which is 2.5 times faster than a second generation Neon TV. It features 2 performance cores, 4 efficiency, a Neon J5 graphics, and a 4nm process. It features 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage. And for software, this thing is running Android 13 TV, which has a design that looks similar to Google TV. And for the remote has a new design as well that is also made of 100% recycled plastic. So that is the new Neon TV Mini, featuring a new compact design, Neon D43M for 2.5 times faster performance, redesigned remote USB-C power, built-in HDMI 2.0 for 4K at 60 Hz, and Android 13 TV. The new Neon TV Mini starts at just $79. So that is Neon TV Mini. But we also have a new bigger model, which is an update to our full-sized Neon TV, and this is what it looks like. It's been completely redesigned from the ground up. This new design has been made bigger. It's also made of 100% recycled plastic, and it has built-in I/O unlike the last model. This built-in I/O features USB-C power, Gigabit Ethernet, and HDMI 2.1 for 4K at 120 Hz. And for power, this thing is powered by a Neon D45M chip, which is 3 times faster compared to the second gen Neon TV. It features 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and making it the world's fastest TV streaming box. For software, it's also running Android 13 TV, which has, again, that new design. So that is the new Neon TV, featuring more I/O, 3 times faster performance with the ND45M, 4K 120 Hz, redesigned remote, USB-C power, and Android 13 TV. The new Neon TV starts at just $129, and it joins the Neon TV Mini at $79. So that is Neon TV. Now, let's talk about Neon Dream. We just announced the Neon Dream 4 and Dream 4 Plus last month, and we also announced Neon Dream 4 Pro and Dream 4 Pro Plus. Incredibly advanced smartphones. And today, we're announcing a new foldable version of the Neon Dream 4, and here it is. I've been going back and forth in my head where we're going. Can it feel like forever? This is Neon Dream 4 Fold. It features a new design that has been completely redesigned from the ground up with a massive inner display and a clean back design that's also been made taller so that you can get more screen real estate. The exterior of Neon Dream 4 Fold is made of ultra glass, and the interior is made of flex glass. Flex glass is ultra thin glass that's foldable. It can handle up to 250,000 folds, and it can survive up to 4.5 years. And inside Neon Dream 4 Fold is a titanium border, just like Neon Dream 4 Pro and Dream 4 Pro Plus. It's also IPX8 water resistant for 4 meters for 30 minutes. And it comes in 2 colors, this gorgeous silver color and a stunning matte black color. For the displays, it features a 7.1-inch micro LED display. It's a massive display at 5460 by 2304 at 834 pixels per inch with 12.5 million pixels, 144 Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color, 1200 nits sustained brightness, 1800 nits peak brightness, and 2200 nits outdoor brightness. Incredibly advanced display here. And the inner display is 8.9 inches and micro LED. It has a resolution of 5460 by 4674, 807 pixels per inch with 25.5 million pixels, and 144 Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color, and all of the same brightness specs. It makes it the world's best smartphone displays. And for power, this thing is powered by the same Snapdragon 50CX Plus chip as Neon Dream 4 Pro and Dream 4 Pro Plus. With 10 performance cores, 2 efficiency cores, a Neon J5 graphics, and 16 gigs of RAM. When we compare it to other smartphones, it's not even close. Snapdragon 50CX absolutely blows out every other phone in the competition. And for cameras, it features a 200 megapixel main sensor that's a quad pixel sensor, f1.7 aperture, 20mm focal length, 8 element lens, and 100% focus pixels. A 48 megapixel ultralight sensor that has 130 degree field of view, quad pixel sensor and f2.0 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, a 12 megapixel periscope with a 10x optical zoom, 10 megapixel anamorphic sensor with a 1.8x optical zoom and 50mm focal length, and a 10 megapixel micro sensor with 70x magnification. It also features the same 100x digital zoom and 12K 30fps video recording as the Dream 4 Pro and Dream 4 Pro Plus. And for the speakers, this is where things get really incredible. It features a quad speaker setup, and this quad speaker setup allows for spatial surround sound audio coming out from both sides and changing depending on where you hold the device. Supports spatial audio and Dolby Atmos, making it the world's best smartphone speakers. For connectivity, this is a first for any Neon Dream device because it features 2 USB-C ports, which both run at Thunderbolt 4 speeds, which are 40 gigabits per second, which is 4 times faster compared to Neon Fold 2. And for battery life, it features 2 3500 mAh batteries for 7000 mAh total. And it supports 26 hours of video playback. And also supports 120 watt extreme charging for 0 to 100% in 15 minutes. So that is Neon Dream 4 Fold, with a titanium border with quad speakers, 8.9 inch main display at 5.5K resolution, quick action button relocated to the side, massive camera upgrades, satellite messaging, longer battery life, 2 gorgeous colors, Snapdragon 56 Plus. There's no other smartphone like it. Neon Dream 4 Fold is $19.99. So that's Neon Dream 4 Fold. But I also have an incredible accessory to go along with it, which is a stylus, which we call Neon Pen. And this is what it looks like. It features an incredible design. It's a matte design that's black, and it's made of 100% recycled plastic. You can simply connect it with no battery whatsoever, no connection method whatsoever, just bring it close to your device and it will connect. It features no battery and it just connects wirelessly. And it even has a hover mode, where you can hover on the display. And it has as low as 2.1 millisecond latency. And it's 100% harmless to a foldable display, so it won't harm the foldable display at all. It's compatible with all Neon Dream 4 models, along with Neon Dream 3 Pro, Dream 3 Pro Plus, Dream 3 Ultra, and Neon Fold 2. It's also compatible with Neon Tab 3rd Gen, Neon Tab Pro 3rd Gen, and Neon Book Fold. And the price is just $49. So that is Neon Pen, and that is Neon Dream. So these were some pretty big updates, and we can't wait to show you what else we have this year. Thank you for joining us.